Welcome back to day 24 of the 30 days of Clawhammer Banjo. Today we're going to start the second half of the A section of Sugar Hill with the third phrase, which sounds like this. You actually already know this part. It's exactly the same as the first phrase. This is actually somewhat common in old-time tunes where the structure of the piece is somewhat of a call and response. So you'll have repeated sections and then the response will be what changes. So the first and third phrases would be the same material, but the second and fourth would be their own unique responses to those sections. So then here's what we have so far. Phrases 1 through 3 of the A section of Sugar Hill. We'll have some completely new material tomorrow for the final phrase of the A section, so get comfortable with this before moving on. Ideally, you can play through all three of these phrases, flowing from one to the next without stopping. Today's featured banjo player is Bruce Molsky.
Went up on a mountain and give my horn a blow. Thought I heard my true love say, yonder comes my bow. Row, Riley, row, row, Riley, row. Row, Riley, poor boy, ain't got nowhere to go.
Bruce is perhaps best known as a fiddle player, but his expertise extends to both the guitar and the banjo. Many of his albums include all three of those instruments, so I'll leave some links in the description where you can hear specifically his great banjo playing. Anyway, that's all for now. See you next time.